A high-quality foundation guarantees a beautiful finish for any paint job. With Fresh Start primers, Benjamin Moore delivers high-hiding, stain-blocking formulas that provide incomparable results. Repaint over even the darkest colors. Tackle tough stains from smoke damage. Address stubborn and unsightly tannin bleeding. Cover up nicotine, crayon, and more. Excellent adhesion means you can prep a variety of challenging surfaces. And exceptional flow and leveling with outstanding holdout add up to pristine top coat results. Take on any interior or exterior challenge with acrylic or oil-based formulas. If using the best-in-class coating for every part of your job matters to you, Benjamin Moore Fresh Start primers are the only choice.